Weather with Chief Meteorologist Jamie Warner.
Well, cold and damp outside right now, 37 degrees. Here is a look at radar right now. What's kind of interesting is it looks like on radar we've got something called bright banding. This is a feature on radar. When you see it, you know that we've got some snow trying to mix in at least above the surface, and that does make sense. Right now, it's sufficiently cold for snow higher up in the atmosphere. At the surface, though, it's a little bit too warm for those snowflakes to make it all the way down to the surface. But temperatures are slowly falling. Right now, 37. And for me, it's like once you get to about 34, 35 degrees, that's when you start to see that snow maybe try to mix in, given the ingredients that are in place right now. So that'll be something interesting. It's a possibility that some wet snow could mix in with this rain before it comes to an end. We've only got a few more hours here in Springfield, and then that rain will push on off to the southeast. This is today's clipper. Here is tomorrow's clipper right here, and that's going to be sweeping southeast across the same general path that tonight's is taking, just a little bit further east. So the impacts tomorrow will be a bit further east as well with tomorrow's clipper. Here's our hour-by-hour forecast. Again, wet right now. There could be some wet snow trying to mix in a little bit before it comes to a complete end. This is midnight. This is, you can see 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, and notice how it all sort of sweeps out of the area by about 3 in the morning. And we wake up to mostly clear skies. Now, I think with the wet weather coming through and with skies clearing out and winds being light, we could see some patchy fog try to fill in across the area, but it shouldn't be a big deal. And then tomorrow, looks like we'll see that next clipper again taking a more easterly track across the area. So most of the impacts will be east of Highway 65, where we'll find cloudier conditions and a chance for maybe a few showers. West of Highway 65, it should be brighter, and it's also going to be warmer. Temperatures tonight eventually settling into the upper 20s to low 30s. This will be after the precipitation moves out, so I'm not worried about any freezing rain or anything like that. And then tomorrow we'll see temperatures warming into the low to mid 50s across southwest Missouri, northwest Arkansas, northern Arkansas. Colder readings to the north and east, where it looks like we'll be cloudier and we'll have that chance for a few showers. Highs here generally in the upper 40s. Now, looking ahead to the weekend, we've talked about this flip in the pattern that's coming. The trough that's helping to give us the clipper pattern right now moves out, so we don't have to deal with that over the weekend. What we'll find is more of a ridge building over the midsection of the country as a trough moves into the western U.S. This is a warm signal for us, and eventually it is also a signal for more unsettled weather that will include the chance of some thunderstorms and also the chance for some heavier rain. And this is something we'll have to watch. Trends with this. It looks like we could be looking at a 2-day window of some heavier rain Monday into Tuesday. Right now, it looks like the heavier rain with that event will be to the south of the interstate, especially across northern Arkansas, where we could see some 1 to 2 inch rain totals between Monday and Tuesday. Here in Springfield, maybe near an inch, and then areas to the north of the interstate amounts should be lighter. Also, on Monday, I think there's going to be a chance with a little bit more instability in place and also a little wind energy in place that the storms could try to organize a bit, and we could see a few stronger storms. Looks like once that front goes through Monday night, we're in for a chillier pattern where temperatures are going to be cool, but pretty close to normal actually for early March. Let's focus in on this weekend, though. Beautiful on Saturday. This is get outside weather with mostly sunny skies. Actually, it'll be sunny for most of the day. And then toward late afternoon, some high cloudiness starts to move in. Should make it into the low to mid 60s for highs. Sunday, not quite as warm, and that's just because of cloud cover. We're going to find mostly cloudy skies and a chance for a few light showers late in the day. But all in all, not a bad forecast for anglers on the first day of the trout season.
Right. Bennett Spring, they're going to blow the lid, blow the noise out there.
Horn, yeah. Right at sunrise.
I couldn't think of horn. There you go. Blow the
They may blow the lid if they don't catch any fish.
That's true, yeah. What's our Viewers Club number tonight?
Well, that number tonight is 259030, and our jackpot is $1,900.
All right, Jamie, thanks. On the way, families across Missouri.